This is your daily glimpse of science.
Hey, stop staring at the spider. She may notice you and then make you her lunch.
I'm really sneaky. I'm just observing her. So don't worry.
Why?
A new research suggests that the orb weaver spiders, which are a common garden spider, might spin webs laced with neurotoxins. So besides ensnaring prey, these webs could help paralyze the spider's catch with paralytic toxins. That's why fresh prey in these webs stick out their tongues as if they've been poisoned.
I never knew that those webs could do so much.
The scientists analyzed the active genes and proteins in the silk glands of the banana spiders, which is a type of orb weavers. The proteins resemble known neurotoxins. When injecting, the droplets from the spider's webs contain these neurotoxin proteins into bees. The bees were paralyzed in less than 1 minute. However, another theory was proposed in which the web neurotoxins could play a role in deterring ants and other animals from stealing the spider's prey or eating the spiders. So further studies need to be conducted for the researchers to have a full picture of these toxins.
Let me ask Miss Spider for you. Hey Miss, may I ask what do you use the toxin in your web for? Oh, I think I make her angry. I got to run now. Good luck with your observation. See ya!
The articles and news sources are in the description below. If you would like to see more of these videos, hit the like and subscribe buttons.
Thank you very much, and we hope you find your daily glimpse of science as interesting as we did.